Welcome. In this video, I will show you what to do if the fingerprint scanner on your Red Magic Astra isn't recognizing your fingertip correctly. So, in such case, we're gonna have to set up a new fingerprint model on our device, and to do that, let's go to Settings and let's scroll down to Security and Privacy menu. Here in Security and Privacy, scroll down to Device Unlock, then select Fingerprint and Face Unlock. Go to Fingerprint. Now select your existing fingerprints and delete them. And then before we add a new one, make sure to clean the surface of your side button, which is also your fingerprint sensor. So just carefully wipe it with a piece of a microfiber cloth or just a dry towel, so we leave no stains on it. And then what we're gonna need to do is proceed by tapping Add Fingerprint and then select Start Enroll, and then use the fingerprint you want to unlock your tablet with. Start pressing the side button with it. Then your tablet will vibrate, and once it vibrates, you have to lift your finger up and then use a slightly different part of your of the middle of your fingertip. Try to press firmly, and at some point start adding the edges once you see that the edges are getting the edges are getting filled on this animation. So use the edges of your fingertip now, and now that the entire fingerprint is enrolled, tap OK. And before we proceed, let's make sure that the software of the tablet is up to date, because if you had some issues with your fingerprint scanner, this might be due to an outdated tablet version. So go to System and Update on the sidebar, then select System Update, and just make sure that you don't have any available updates. And if you do have an update, then download and install it. Otherwise, just restart your tablet normally. Now let's wait until the update is downloaded. Okay, and now before we tap Restart Now, I just wanted to quickly pay attention to that, to this one fix that I actually added in this update. So fix the issue of fingerprint unlock failure. So yeah, this could have been your issue from the start if you got the same update. Stop Restart Now and wait until your tablet is restarted. Now let's enter the password and let's try to test our fingerprint scanner. So let me quickly lock the tablet and then try to unlock it with a fingerprint. And as you can see, it works smoothly now. And I hope that this video helped you too, and if it did, please consider subscribing to our channel, leave us a like and a comment below, and I'll see you in the next one.